What's up guys, it's Sadie, and today I'm going to be doing a slime smoothie. So, you guys already know what a slime smoothie is. When you mix all your slimes, it makes a huge slime. So, yeah. So, if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe now, and then I'll be doing a surprise video when we hit 1,000 subscribers. So, let's get started. So, the first slime is, I'm going to start with the bigger one. So, this is the first slime. It's this weird green looking color. Oh my god, you can see my reflection. Oh. Okay, anyway. Got a little distracted. So yeah. It's really like an ugly green color. I don't know when I made this actually. I haven't used a big container for the slime. I have other clear glue, so it's very glossy. Nice. Like when you stretch it, it's like light green, but it's like poop here. Alright, so let's add it in. Bye-bye, slime. I'm doing it for you guys, so. Next slime is this one. This is my party slime. This is my favorite. I don't want to mix you. Alright, it's really pretty. It has like sequins and stuff like that. Like it has like a little bit of glitter. Colors like random glitter like that one. Anyway, put it right. Oh yeah, okay. That's nice. Next one. This one is my orange soda. It's clear glue, and I also have clear glue, guys, so I can add it to the slime smoothie if it's not good. So yeah, here it is. It's very. They look way lighter on camera, but it's actually really dark. So. Looks very funky so far. Alright. I can't mix yet. This one is like a pink. I don't know what I named this one yet. I don't think I have a name. It's like a pinky one. I think I made sand in it. That's why it's like purple on the bottom on top. It's like a different layer. It feels really good though. But like the sand part makes it feel weird. I don't know. I think it's like really like sandy on the bottom. Yeah, it's just really sandy. I don't like it as much as I like the other ones. No offense, slime. I'm trying to knead it first so it doesn't really get that texture in it. Okay. Bye. No, go in. So, there's my slime smoothie. Next slime. Pink lemon. Oh, I can't do this one. This one's for a challenge. Oopsies. Wait a minute. There's this one. It's very hard on top. It's very glittery. My sister actually made this one for me. And she made me hair for it. And yeah, it's actually really nice on the bottom. I'm just going to take the bottom off. And put that back in the slime because that's a huge slime. I don't want all this in it. So, this is the slime. Hold on. Oh, wait a minute. Alright, guys. So, yeah, this is all my slime. So, let's mix it. Oh my god. I don't know if I want to, like. Okay, there's like some pink. Oh my god. It's like, it's gonna turn brown or something for that. Oh, my baby. Baby. Oh, this is so nice. Let's rip it apart. If you rip it, you can like see the glitter inside. Comment down below what color do you think it was going to turn out. What color do you think it's going to turn out? If you rip it apart, there's a lot of pink. Mommy, look at the color. Anyway, so there's like a little green still somewhere, I think. It's between a pink and a brownie color. Like a brown color. Oh no. It's super thick. I think the kinetic sand took over because like the sand got everywhere. So, it's not as big as I expected, but that's okay because I don't really like big slimes. This is my jumbo slime. I don't know. This is my slime smoothie of 2019. Congratulations. So, yeah, like I said, guys, I am saving this one. I am saving some of this one because the slime of this was huge, and I actually do want to save some of this one because it's actually kind of good. So I'm going to save it. Sorry, people out there. And my other one I had to save too because it's for a challenge. So yeah, I only have 2 slimes left, so. It looks very nice. It feels very nice. Yeah, it's actually a very nice slime. Actually fits in one of my containers. That's great. Slime daddy. So yes, thank you guys for telling me to do a slime smoothie. I really enjoyed it. Thank you for all my subscribers. If I get more subscribers, I'll do another big slime smoothie with this slime smoothie, like a slime smoothie and a slime smoothie. So like and subscribe if you haven't yet. Like this video, comment down below what color you thought it was going to turn out, and say if you were right or wrong, and be honest. So yep, bye.